Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Spark. I'm Mark, your English teacher from the U.S.
And I'm Sophia. Hello, everyone.
Hey, Sophia, how's your day going?
It's good, Mark. I just came back from downtown.
Nice. How did you get there today? Did you take the bus?
No, I didn't. I took a taxi.
Oh, a taxi. That's perfect for today's topic. We're talking about taking a taxi.
Really? That's funny. Perfect timing.
Yes. So, tell us, how was your taxi ride?
It was pretty good. The car was clean, the driver was friendly, but it was a little expensive.
Yeah, taxis can be pricey sometimes.
But they're fast and comfortable, right?
Exactly. Much faster than the bus. Did you call the taxi using an app?
Yes, I did. I just opened the app, entered my location, and the driver arrived in about 5 minutes.
That's convenient. Did you check the driver's name and license plate before getting in?
Of course, I always do that. Safety first.
Good habit. So, where were you going downtown?
I went to meet my cousin for lunch.
Oh, that sounds fun. What was the driver like?
He was really nice. He asked me where I was from, and I said, I'm from Mexico. He smiled and said he loves Mexican food.
That's great. Some drivers like to chat, some prefer to stay quiet.
Yeah, I like when they talk a little. It makes the ride more relaxing.
Totally agree. Did you tell him which route to take, or did he use GPS?
He used GPS, but I told him I prefer the main street because it has less traffic.
Smart move. Sometimes GPS takes you through bad traffic.
Yes. He asked, do you want to take the highway or the main street? I said, let's take the main street, please.
That's good English. Let's take the main street, please. Very polite.
Thank you. I try to practice polite expressions.
So, how long was your ride?
Around 20 minutes? There was some traffic near downtown, but not too bad.
Did you pay in cash or by card?
By card, through the app. It's easier and safer.
Absolutely. No need to worry about cash or change.
Exactly. And I could leave a small tip on the app too.
Nice. So, what do you usually say when you get in a taxi?
I usually say, hello, could you take me to the shopping mall, please?
Perfect. That's polite and clear. You can also say, please take me to the airport, or I'd like to go to the train station.
Oh, I'd like to go to. That sounds very natural.
Yes, it does. And if you want to ask about the price, you can say, how much will it cost?
Got it. How much will it cost? Or how much is the fare?
Exactly. Fare means the price of a taxi ride.
Great. What if I want the driver to stop?
Then you can say, please stop here, or could you stop at the corner, please?
Oh, I like that. Could you stop at the corner, please?
Perfect pronunciation, Sophia.
Thanks, Mark.
Now, sometimes you might want the driver to go faster or slower. How could you say that?
Maybe, could you drive a little faster, please?
Excellent. Or if you want slower, you can say, could you slow down, please?
Oh, that's useful, especially when the driver is driving too fast.
Exactly. And on a hot day, you can say, could you turn on the air conditioning, please?
Oh, yes. That's a good one.
You're learning fast, Sophia.
Thank you, Teacher Mark.
So, have you ever had a bad taxi experience?
Once, yes. The driver didn't know my street and took a wrong turn.
Oh no! What did you do?
I said, "Excuse me, I think we missed the turn." He said sorry and used GPS to fix it.
That's perfect. You stayed calm and polite.
Yeah, I try. It's always better to speak politely.
Very true. How about a good experience?
Once, a driver helped me with heavy bags. He even said, "Take care, have a nice day," when I got out.
That's so kind. Small gestures make a big difference.
Yes, they do.
So, let's review some useful taxi phrases. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. Could you take me to?
Could you take me to the airport, please?
Excellent. Number 2. How much is the fare?
How much is the fare to the city center?
Great. Number 3. Please stop here.
Please stop here. Simple but important.
Exactly. Number 4. Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Perfect. And number 5. Could you turn on the air conditioning, please?
Could you turn on the air conditioning, please?
Well done, Sophia.
Thanks, Mark. These phrases are really useful when traveling.
Yes, they are, especially if you visit another country where you don't know the city well.
Like when I went to Bogota, I used taxis a lot because I didn't know the buses.
That's a good example. Knowing these sentences helps you travel confidently.
True. And it makes me feel more independent.
That's what learning English is all about: communication and confidence.
Exactly.
So, next time you take a taxi, try to use these phrases in real life.
I will. I'll say, "Hello, could you take me to the museum, please?"
Perfect pronunciation again.
Thank you, Mark. You make learning fun.
That's the goal.
So, Mark, what about you? Do you take taxis often in the US?
Not really. I usually drive my car, but when I travel abroad, I use taxis a lot.
I see. Do you also check the driver's name before getting in?
Always. Safety first, just like you said earlier.
That's right.
All right, Sophia, before we finish, let's do a quick recap for our listeners.
Sure.
Mark, today we learned how to 1. Ask for a taxi. Could you call me a taxi, please? 2. Give directions. Please take me to the hotel. 3. Ask about price. How much is the fare? 4. Make requests. Could you stop here? Can I pay by card? And 5. Stay polite. Always say please and thank you.
That's great. These phrases are simple but super helpful.
Exactly. And listeners, remember, practice makes progress.
Yes. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Well said, Sophia.
Thank you, Teacher Mark.
All right, everyone, thanks for listening to English Spark.
Don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing your English every day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.